Buying Kaspa at 3 cents is like you're buying Ethereum at $8. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Chris, and today we are going to see that buying Kaspa right now is an extremely big opportunity to become wealthy in the future, because Kaspa is one of those coins with real world utility. It's solving the trilemma, the major problem of the Bitcoin, and also the major problem of all other altcoins that were trying to solve the trilemma, but they couldn't, because in order to succeed in scalability they were sacrificing the security, and most of the times was the decentralization. So as you understand guys, decentralization is the most major thing in the crypto space, so that's why the trilemma never solved by all other altcoins, and solved guys only with Kaspa. And that's why I don't categorize Kaspa as an altcoin. Kaspa for me is the digital silver, and Bitcoin is the digital gold. And at that market cap at 700 million that we are standing is extremely big discount, okay? Because some people gonna say that Kaspa is already up so much since the launch, and right now maybe it's not the perfect time to enter. So on this video I'm gonna show you that buying Kaspa at those levels is an insane opportunity to become very wealthy in the distant future, okay? And even in a short term, because if Kaspa gonna be invested by big crypto exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, Crypto.com, OKX, and etc., Kaspa even in a bear market can explode a lot in a price. So on this video we are going to compare it with Ethereum. At 2016 Ethereum had a similar market cap. I'm going to show you all of these things with big details. So if you're interested to know, like, buying Kaspa today is like you're buying Ethereum in 2016, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. And before we continue, I would like to declare you that I'm not a financial advisor. Whatever you are going to see on this video is my own personal opinion, my personal approach. Always do your own research before any kind of investment. Also guys, if you are Kaspa investor, Kaspa holder, or Kaspa enthusiast, I suggest you to subscribe to this channel, because I'm gonna speak very regularly every day for Kaspa, and I'm here to help you with your questions and your concerns. Also, do not forget to check my Patreon group, because here you are going to find my private Telegram community where you can ask me absolutely everything on that community 24/7. I'm gonna be there for you. I'm helping the people that are inside of this group as much as I can, as soon as possible. Also, we have some multimillionaires inside, some people with very great experience and knowledge in the crypto space, and all together we are speaking for crypto related things. Also, you're going to have access to my crypto portfolio. You're going to see with 100% transparency what I'm holding and how I actually handle my portfolio in real time. And also in real time you are going to see my buy signals, take profit signals, and sell signals. So if you are interested to build connections, to upgrade your knowledge, to have fun, and obviously make gains, this Patreon group is for you, and I'm waiting to see you there. So guys, let's start about Kaspa, because right now Kaspa is starting at 0.036 cents, and in an all-time high of a market cap perspective, approximately at 729 million. Before a couple days we saw Kaspa at close to 800 million market cap, and that was very big all-time high, because before 3 months we had an all-time high at 700 million, and before a couple days we reached and surpassed that all-time high, the previous all-time high. But from a market cap perspective, someone could say that the price didn't reach a new all-time high, and that caused, guys, because since April, we saw furthermore coins into the total supply. More coins came out because the rapid emission schedule that Kaspa has to prevent any potential dump of the ASICs that are coming in August. And maybe tomorrow we'll make a video about the ASICs, and I will solve the drama by giving you guys all my infos about the ASICs, what's going on, and etc. So on this video, as I told you, I would like to speak with a comparison, and I'm gonna dive straight into the board, and you are going to see that buying Kaspa at 3 cents is like buying Ethereum at $8. Guys, as you can clearly see the board, Ethereum in December 2016 had 700 million market cap, which equals approximately to $8, and Kaspa today, July 2023, has approximately 700 million market cap, which equals to 3 cents. And as you can clearly see, guys, in the chart, Ethereum was started at 700 million market cap in 2016, before actually the 2017, which was the start of the bull run. It was the beginning of the bullish territory. like now, like we have Kaspa in 2024, we are about to start building the bullish territory, and in the 2025 we're about to see the peak of the Kaspa and also the peak of the world crypto market. Because guys, do not forget that back in the days when Ethereum had the first bull run ever and reached an all-time high 128 billion market cap, Ethereum was actually the solution provider that can be scalable, more scalable than Bitcoin. Okay, but also obviously had the dApps and the smart contracts behind. It was more innovative thing and etc. Right now, guys, Kaspa, it's gonna perform in the same way with Ethereum, but the difference is that back in the days, the total market cap from all cryptos in 2017-2018 bull run had approximately 770 billion at total. Right now in 2025, it's approximately estimated that we're gonna see above 10 trillion in a total market cap of the world cryptocurrencies. So as you understand, this is a very big difference, and we're about to see incredible adoption to the crypto space. And Kaspa will have the first bull run ever that's gonna happen. So if you combine, guys, all of these things, that Kaspa is a phenomenal project that is solving with a specific way the trilemma: scalability, security, decentralization, and it's not only a solver, but it's so efficient. Okay, we are speaking for incredible speed, we are speaking for instant confirmation, we are speaking for incredible security, more secure than Bitcoin. Okay, we are speaking for hard forks that are gonna come and actually gonna take 100 steps forward the technology of Kaspa, according to with if you compare that with the other altcoins. Okay, because right now Kaspa has 1 block per second. With the future hard forks, Kaspa can scale up to 100 blocks per second. The very near hard forks will scale up the Kaspa up to 32 blocks per second. The first step is 10 blocks per second, then 32 blocks per second, and the Kaspa team have a vision up to 100 blocks per second. So in that case, we are speaking for incredible scalability with insane robust security, plus the Nakamoto's consensus decentralization because the proof of work. So as you understand, if you combine that, we have a perfect Bitcoin which is more scalable than ever, and also it can handle smart contracts. But that's a second phase of the Kaspa. Okay, because guys, if we're gonna see an implementation of the hard forks and Kaspa gonna become so scalable with 32 blocks per second, I don't say the 100 blocks, okay, because it's gonna happen maybe in the future, not anytime soon. But with 32 blocks, guys, per second, Kaspa will become the #1 choice for transactions. And guys, then in the second phase, we're about to see smart contracts, we're about to see dApps, we're about to see layer 2s, and through all of these things, we're about to deploy DeFi, we're about to see in Kaspa ecosystem, lots of projects trying to build up because the efficiency that provide. And this is the time when we're gonna dive into the phase 2 that we can flip Ethereum. But that's, guys, more in the distant future, 2029, maybe it's gonna be the time that you can see a flip on Ethereum. Okay, it's very possible, or even in 2032, because for all of these things, we need time to see lots of tests, lots of adoption, lots of all of these things, lots of more developers to start building on Kaspa. So this needs time, okay? It's not so easy to happen. But in 2025, we can see some hard forks, we can see some upgrades that can make a very great rally for the first bull run of Kaspa to reach up to 200 billion market cap. I'm expecting 200 billion. It's very great approach, okay, because it's not something crazy. Kaspa to get up to 200 billion, it's gonna be invested heavily by Binance, by big major exchanges, by big whales, because once the technology is gonna be understood and everyone will realize what Kaspa actually does and what we'll do in the future, guys, it's gonna be the battle of the battle. Who's gonna buy the majority of the supply? Because it's gonna be benefit a lot from such a move, because it's like you're understanding the Bitcoin in 2012 to 2013 and you have all the money to invest on Bitcoin. And we have seen that examples, guys. Lots of people who were watching Bitcoin to 2012, 2013. We had some people who saw Bitcoin, but they didn't bought a lot because they didn't understood the technology. They didn't had the vision how far this thing can go. And we had some other guys who understood the technology, saw the vision, and they bought crazy amounts of bitcoins. And right now they are multi-billionaires, multi-millionaires, and etc. They are very, very wealthy. So as you understand, guys, we are standing in a very early phase. We are standing in that phase that you need to understand the technology and see the vision. And do not forget that Kaspa also has one of the best devs in the planet. We are speaking that is backed by Jonathan Sobolinski, the guy who wrote the Ghost protocol in 2013. And Ethereum took this protocol in modified version and actually created the Ethereum. Okay, because we don't know if Ethereum could exist without this Ghost protocol of Jonathan Sobolinski in 2013. That's why in 2013 white paper, Jonathan Sobolinski mentioned by the team of Ethereum, which was at that time Vitalik Buterin, Charles Hoskinson, and etc. So, guys, you understand that the team behind Kaspa is another level. Okay, we are speaking for 10 steps forward from the level that the other developers are studying. They are researchers, they are innovators, they invented things that no one can imagine that could be possible. And that's very, very great for a project like Kaspa because we're about to see crazy things in the future. That's why it has so big potential to explode a lot in the future. The next 10 years is going to be phenomenal for Kaspa. I'm expecting to see above 1 trillion in 10 years from now. Okay, I'm expecting because, guys, right now Ethereum probably in the next burn will surpass the 1 trillion in a market cap. And guys, to be honest with you, if I can compare right now Kaspa with Ethereum, the Ethereum can be above Kaspa because the smart contracts and DeFi, the DeFi space, the DApps that are behind the Ethereum, all of these projects that are built on Ethereum. But Kaspa can overcome this because it's going to be more efficient. We can see all these DApps moving from Ethereum to Kaspa because Kaspa is going to be more efficient, more decentralized, more secure, and people going to prefer that. Okay, or developers going to prefer Kaspa, and etc. So this is why buying Kaspa right now, even at a 700 million market cap at 3 cents, is like you're buying Ethereum at $8. And guys, have in your mind that if you were back in the days in 2016, lots of guys at that point, because Ethereum was at $8 and maybe before a couple months Ethereum was $5, they weren't buy at $8 because they were saying that I'm waiting to see Ethereum at $5. But right now this has absolutely no sense because Ethereum is standing at $1,871. Okay, just have that logic in your mind. When Kaspa is gonna reach $50, $80, $100, you won't even remember if you bought at 3 cents or at 0.036 cents or at 0.039 cents. You won't even remember. Okay, so that's why buying a Kaspa right now is a very great opportunity because the incredible space for incredible growth. That's the video, guys. Thank you so much for your support. Appreciate you for every like, every comment. Let me know if you have any questions down below in the comment section, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Until then, your boy Chris out. Bye.